purpose. Despite all your efforts, your Iman still doesn't feel as strong as it should.
You're not alone. Many of us face these struggles in our journey to strengthen our connection with Allah.
But what if there was a way to elevate your soul and rekindle that flame of Iman, no matter where you are in life? What if the path to a stronger, more fulfilling connection with Allah was closer than you think? Let me introduce you to something special: Imanify. Imanify is not just another channel. It's a space designed to help you grow spiritually and emotionally while keeping you grounded in the teachings of Islam. Every piece of content, every word shared, is dedicated to guiding you on a journey to strengthen your Iman and become a better person in the sight of Allah. But why should you care about strengthening your Iman? Isn't it enough to simply pray, fast, and follow the rituals? Or is there something deeper, something more transformative waiting for us to discover? The truth is, without a strong Iman, the core of your faith, everything else feels incomplete. It's like building a house on sand, where no matter how much you build, it can never stand strong. But here's the beautiful part: strengthening your Iman isn't a distant dream. It's a journey you can start right now, and it's one you don't have to walk alone. What if I told you that by simply engaging with Imanify's content, you'll uncover profound ways to reconnect with Allah, reflect on your purpose, and develop habits that align with His will? Imagine the transformation that could happen. The path to elevating your soul begins with small yet powerful steps. At Imanify, we believe in the power of knowledge, reflection, and constant growth. We'll walk with you through thought-provoking videos on the essence of faith, practical ways to strengthen your daily worship, and deep insights into understanding the beauty of our deen. Every video is an invitation to move closer to Allah. But here's a question. What if the very way you're living your life right now is preventing you from fully tapping into your potential as a Muslim? Could there be things you're overlooking, habits that are holding you back from becoming the person Allah has destined you to be? Through Imanify, we'll help you uncover these answers. So how can you begin this journey? It's simple. All it takes is a commitment to watching, reflecting, and taking action. With every video, you'll feel yourself drawn closer to a state of mind and heart that is pleasing to Allah. And trust me, that peace you seek is closer than you think. But don't just take my word for it. Join the Imanify community today and start your journey to elevate your soul, one video at a time. Together, we'll strive to live a life that reflects the love of Allah Almighty. And remember, this is only the beginning. What's coming next will take your understanding of Islam to new heights. Stay tuned, because the best is yet to come.